Peace and blessings, fam. It's your girl T laying down another video. Yes, I am servicing Northern California. Yes, visit my Facebook page at T's Braids and Weaves, and the link to our website is down below. So, yes, today I am going to show you how I sew down a wig. Yes, a lace front wig. It is quick, it is easy, and you may be able to do it yourself. So yes, if you are the kind of lady who do not want your wig to come off at night, you do not want your wig to be coming off unexpectedly. If you have a man and you just do not want him to see your hair, this may be the perfect style for you. So yes, I am going to show you how I sewed down this wig. I am using what? Our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter is made with 100% all natural ingredients. Yes, it is packed with ingredients that will promote hair growth, and I will be using it throughout her hair as I complete this braid pattern. I am doing a braid pattern with the center part because she is going to be having a center part lace front wig. So yes, get your order in now. Our prices are very affordable for our hair growth butter. The small jars are $10 and our large jars are $20. Yes, again, it is packed with 100% all natural ingredients. We have many different kinds of hair butter that has different ingredients in it. Some of them have peppermint oil, black castor oil. Some of them have olive oil, carrot oil, almond oil. Yes, we pack them with all kinds of different oils that will promote hair growth. So yes, again, get your order in and the link is down below. As you can see, I am using it throughout her hair and on her scalp, and it is nourishing those hair follicles and her hair shafts so that she can have some healthy hair. So yes, again, I am doing a braid pattern for a center part because that is the wig that I'm going to sew down. So just continue to keep watching as I complete this braid pattern for her, and I will come back shortly to show you what I'm going to do next. Here I am doing a braid on the neck, and I always do a braid on the neck or the nape so that my clients can pull their wigs up into a beautiful ponytail. Yes, you want to be able to pull your wig up into a beautiful, undetectable ponytail. That way, no one will know that it's even a wig. It will look so natural and so cute. Yes, cute ladies. So again, just continue. Okay, fam. So you seen that I did the braid pattern with the center part. Here I am removing the combs from her wig. We do not want those combs in the wig because we do not want them to get stuck in her hair at all, snagged in her hair, and they're just not needed because it's going to be sewn down anyway. So the security of the wig is going to be sewn and the combs are not needed. So yes, she purchased her wig from my hairline. Yes, look at this beautiful wig. It is natural looking. The texture is beautiful. The density is amazing. So yes, the link below again to our website is in the description. So if you are interested in ordering a beautiful wig at a very affordable price, yes, visit our website. This is a straight 16-inch 4x4 lace front wig. So here I am parting the sides where I am going to start her sew down, and I am going to be sewing it down to that front braid, the braid that is closest to her edges. So as I continue to sew, I am sewing where the stitches are going to be undetectable, so you will not be able to even see where the stitches are. So again, the wigs are very, very affordable. So yes, check out our website and just continue to watch how I am going to sew it down. I'm sewing down around her ear and up by that edge braid, the braid that's closest to her edge first. So that way the wig is secured in the front, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well as in the top to make sure that the wig is completely secure. And I'm going to sew down the back where I did that nape braid in the back that I showed you a little earlier. I'm going to sew down back there as well. So please continue to watch and see how I sew down this amazing wig. You do not want to miss the results of this. So continue to watch, and I'll be back soon with more details. Okay, fam, so I am cutting off the lace here in the front. As you can see, I secured the wig down on both sides, and I'm actually going to secure it down as well at the top so that I can make sure that it does not move and is completely secure at the top. I am going to apply some foundation to make sure that it matches and it blends in well with her skin as well as her scalp. And I just love this method. Sewing down your wig is so much more healthier than using that glue. You don't have to worry about if the glue is going to slip or if you have to apply more glue and more got to be glue spray. It is just so much healthier and so much convenient. Oh my gosh, look at this ponytail. This is what I'm talking about. Look how natural this ponytail looks. My client will be able to pull her hair up when she's at work. It is out the way, and look at that beautiful ponytail. Yes, I love it, and you will love it too. So yes, if you have not tried sewing this wig down or sewing your wigs down opposed to having it glued on, please try it. It is so much more healthier. Look at this wig. Look at that density. It is full. It has a very natural texture to it. The feel is amazing. So yes, do not forget to visit my website, The link again is down below in the description, and get you a beautiful wig and get it sewn down so that you will have a style, and this wig will last you easily a month. You can wear this for 4 weeks. Some ladies wear it 6 weeks. I suggest using some dry shampoo in your hair. You do not always have to wash your hair or wash your wig with the water. That dry shampoo will work. It does amazing work in cleaning and cleansing your scalp as well when you have your wig on. So yes, I am going to do a little baby hair. Yes, I am still working on perfecting baby hair. That is not my specialty. However, she does want a little bit, so I am going to do my best to make this look as natural as possible. But me, myself, I love me some baby hair, and it may look like wet hair, but that's how I like to do mine. So again, continue to watch and see how this style is going to turn out. I am so excited. I know you guys are going to love it. I loved it and she loved it too. So keep on watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I will continue to bring as much valuable content every time I lay down a video. So again, this is West Coast Finest, Tees, Braids, and Weaves. I am going to give her a few curls. She did not want much. First, she was going to leave it straight. Then she was like, yeah, just put me a few little curls in here. So, yes, I'm using the wand. I'm going to give her a few curls, and we are going to see how this turns out. Yes, it is beautiful. So, thanks again. Much love to all my subscribers. Yes, again, West Coast Finest, Tees, Braids, and Weaves. Check out our Facebook. Check out our website, and we will see you again soon. Mwah. Peace and blessings.